everybody. I wanted to share with y'all my newest digital kit. It is Cozy Fall Shabby Vignette Kit. I am creating a ton. I have a ton more fall digitals in the works because I am fall crazy. I am not decorating for fall yet, but I know that some of y'all are. You want to get a head start, so I went ahead and put out this kit. I'm still preparing more. I love this one. I've got two from last year that I curated for nostalgia and vintage purposes because I'm that nostalgic and vintage kind of gal. I love it. I love the feels that it gives. Those are in my shop, still available, still beautiful. I'm still going to use them. Check those out too. So you're going to get 4 pieces of ephemera with this kit. And here's one piece. The rest are throughout here, so y'all will see them. I love these Polaroids. It even has a really pretty background, I think. You're going to get 20 8.5 by 11 digitals, sheets. Look at those puppies. That is accidentally printed on and already printed on piece of paper. Didn't realize it. I thought I had nothing but printer paper in my printer, but obviously it was a hodgepodge and I did not know. I wonder if my husband filled the printer. It's okay, they all turned out beautifully and they are all the right size. Oh, I love, can y'all see the various colors in that? I love it. I have so many thoughts and feelings when it comes to fall, and I want to encapsulate that with all of the kits. And I guess that's probably the reason why I'm doing so many. I think that they all kind of feel the same, but so that they would all blend very, very, very well. If you bought every one of the kits that I'm putting out this season, they would all blend perfectly. But they're still different. They're all different. So I love scarecrows. And I love tea and coffee. And it reminds me of fall. Reading a book on a cozy day. Pumpkins and gourds. I've grown my own this year. This printed out on a photo paper. Again, didn't know that was in there. And here's another piece of ephemera. And y'all look at the corns, pumpkins, gourds, and scarecrows. Still all so very shabby. Some 3.2 by 3.2 tags, cards, little scarecrow. How cute is that? Of course, we've got your regular tags. Just love that hedgehog. And y'all already saw this one. For some reason, I printed out twice. Maybe because it's so cute. I don't know, but I didn't realize I had. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all head on over to my Etsy shop. Check those out. Check out the ones that I had from last fall. If you're, new to my Etsy shop, you may not have seen them. I personally think that they're beautiful. And just very vintagey, nostalgic is what I went for. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Bye.